This is number 14 in the proof packet. I've got my proof statement that triangle QRP is congruent to triangle EAP, my two givens listed and underlined, and my diagram. Go ahead and pause and copy that down in your proof packet if you haven't already. Alright, so I'm going to mark my givens, QP congruent to PE, and angle R congruent to angle A. Alright, so what I'm going for here is hopefully some sort of SAS, ASA, some situation like that, perhaps an AAS situation. Right away I see that I only have two things, so I don't have enough to prove these triangles congruent yet, so I'm most likely going to need a diagram step since I already have a side and an angle in my givens and no parallel lines or something that I can do something with. So I recognize that at point P here I've got some vertical angles, and we know from many proofs already that we can put that if two angles are vertical, then they are congruent. So that is my general property. So coming out would be a specific statement, not in a box, but that angle QPR is congruent to angle APE. So now I've got a side, an angle, and then the next angle, or angle, angle, side. And that we know is one of our triangle congruency shortcuts. So here's an angle, here's an angle, here's a side. So these can go into an AAS box, and out comes the specific statement that I wanted to prove, which was that triangle QRP is congruent to triangle EAP. Triangle QRP congruent to triangle EAP, because I had sufficient information to prove this by AAS. And you can go ahead and check to make sure certain things line up. Is angle RPQ congruent to angle APE? Well, here's RPQ, orange tick mark. APE, orange tick mark. Yep, looks like I'm doing just fine. So there's that proof.